The more stone, the better the drain. We always put the pipe at the bottom of the French drain trench. That way the frost can't push this up to the surface. I'm doing an anatomy kind of shot for you. We're going to continue this drain, but I'm in the ditch channel that the excavator created, showing how much stone we put in one of our French drain systems. The more stone, the better the drain. That's why we won't use a trencher. We want to ditch out a nice channel with an excavator and then haul that heavy soil away. Replace it with a nice coarse washed rock and then wrap it with a really good filter fabric that's going to move a lot of water through it. You can't use a landscape fabric. You have to know your fabrics. You want to use a fabric that's a good drainage fabric, specifically for drainage systems. For curtain French drains, perimeter French drains, some pump lines, dry wells, dry creek beds, outdoor yard water, anything that has to do with drainage outside the home or commercial property, give us a call.